So I have the Declaration of Independence created, and I put an image in as a background, and I dropped the opacity down so that it's just in the background of those pages. I dropped it down to 15% up here, you can see that, and it just goes. And I want to put in what I want to do is I want to change the first letter of each paragraph inside the body text of the Declaration of Independence so that it has drop caps. So let me show you how to do that. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and go into my paragraph styles, go to where it says body text drop caps. I'm going to double click on that one. Now what I want to do is go down to where it says drop caps and nested styles. Now it says drop caps lines. What I want this to be, I want it to drop down, let's say 3 lines, and I only want the first letter of each paragraph to do that, so I'm going to click OK. Now all I need to do is apply the drop caps to my Declaration of Independence. So I press Control A, it selects all my text for the Declaration of Independence. I go to drop text, and you can see it's gone through a couple of the first paragraphs, don't need it, but the rest of them, you can see it's automatically put in the drop caps for each of the lines. I can go through and I can adjust this. Maybe I realize that's too much. I double click, go back to where it says drop caps. Maybe I want it to go to just 2 lines, and I click OK, and it automatically updates it. Now for these paragraphs, I want to switch that back to just normal paragraphs, and now you can see I have automatic drop caps inside of my paragraphs. So this is going to take a little bit of tweaking. Also notice that it added a red box to the end, which means I have more text than space. I'm just going to click over here and it pastes it in, and you can see there's a little bit more, and I'm going to leave it at that for right now. But you can see by just changing the styles, you can go through and change how the look of your entire document looks simply by clicking and changing. If I wanted the headings of each section to change, I could change this, and I'm going to do something here. I go to basic character formatting. Maybe I wanted to go ahead and let's just change it a lot. Instead of Arial, maybe I wanted my headings to be something like Cambria. Select OK, and it automatically adjusts it for everywhere I have that style set up. So for this booklet, what you need to do is set up your styles, figure out what you want things to look like before you actually go into the design or the creation of it, and it'll make things a lot easier.